Here's the euro running just before Mario comes on. There are sometimes moments like these that you can try to trade. I just find them a little bit too risky, and the reason is, I mean, even when we hit some of our resistance levels here, for me to probably trade now before he comes on, so close to him coming on, I would wait for something up here drastically into this, let's say, to take a light position up here at 34 and then all the way up here at this mid-60s. I mean, that's where I would really look to try to trade if I saw the price run there now. But other than that, I'd be a little bit cautious about trying to trade in the first sell zone, as it's very common. He's going to be speaking. Sometimes they'll really try to run some orders. And there's always a possibility that somebody is front running something that they're expecting he's going to say, or maybe that there's a rumor about what he might say. And so, again, it just gets really tricky here to try to trade technicals when you just don't know what's happening behind the scenes that is causing the commotion. You never really know what's causing the commotion, but you always want to be in a position where you have a hunch of what might be happening. And if you don't have a hunch, you have at least the high probability that your technicals are going to do what you expect them to do. But when there are moments when we were expecting these speeches, sometimes we can find that there is no sense and there is no real way to trust our technicals unless they are way beyond our usual buy or sell zones. And then under those circumstances, sometimes we can take a little of a chance. But we've done these, and I always draw back to, I think it's March 2008, while we were having a training and we were running exercise moments on how to trade band shades precisely during a speech from the Bank of Switzerland. A market that almost never responds to what they have to say. That day they responded, and they responded by running about 300 points, and that's when the markets were really going crazy back then. But you always have to be prepared for something like that.